I've been doing this 30 years, and one of the things I love is the way we analyze and look at trends down the road. It's a great challenge to see what direction things may be heading. Now, I make no guarantees here, but let me give you an example on this. Utilities. Let's just use common sense approach here. Common sense that you use every day in your life. So, for example, when I go into my kids' rooms and I look around, guess what? They have got everything plugged up. Everything. I mean, I'm looking at the phone, I'm looking at the laptop, if there's an iTouch in the house, all the other electronics that each of our kids have plugged up. A lot of them weren't there 10 years ago. But guess what? Utilities as a whole have not really built additional plants or really grown. So you have to scratch your head for a second and go, I wonder, all of a sudden I'm now seeing commercials on TV about cars that we can plug in. It takes electricity to run them. Wow, where could this be going? And you start asking yourselves questions about, if we continue to use more and more electricity, then will utilities as a sector have tremendous growth? I have no idea at this point. But those are the kind of questions, common sense approach, that I start to ask and then drill down to see which companies might benefit. My point to you is that this phone that I have right here is a paperweight if I can't charge it. So we as a society are becoming more and more dependent on electricity. In addition to that, the huge debate coming up with the presidential election, where will our energy come from? Just recently, it's not only energy in terms of electricity, but also in terms of natural gas, oil. I mean, the Keystone Pipeline was just vetoed down, not to be built. So there's a huge dialogue about energy in general. So it could be utilities, it could be other energy sources that we're looking at. So these things are the discussions that we have, plus looking at all the types of research and analysis that we can possibly do to look at the whole picture, to then drill down and target for our clients the sectors or individual securities that we need to place their money in to get a return. I hope this has kind of been insightful. It's always fun to have the conversation. If you'd like to discuss it more with me, give me a call. I'm more than happy to elaborate on how we do our research here at File Plan Partners and apply it to our clients. Thanks.